Welcome back. Section 1, 2, random samples. Okay, there are 3 problems here. Okay, a public opinion poll in Ohio wants to determine whether registered voters in the state approve of a measure to ban. So we are talking about registered voters to approve of a measure to ban smoking in all public areas. They randomly select 50 voters in the state and ask whether they approve or disapprove the measure. This is an example of simple random sample or stratified random sample. This is simple because they randomly selected 50 people. Okay, they did not divide the population into anything. At a party, there are 30 students over age 21, 20 students under age 21. You randomly select 5 students to interview about attitudes toward alcohol. So what did we do? You randomly selected 5 students to interview about attitudes. They have not told me whether I selected 5 from over 21 or under. Basically, they did not divide it. So they selected 5 from 30. I would say this is simple random. Ministry of Health in the Canadian province of Ontario conducted the Ontario Health Survey by conducting interviews with 30,000 randomly selected men, 35,000 randomly selected women. So this was stratified. First they divided men and women, so that's 2 strata, and then randomly selected 30,000 from one group, 35,000 from the other group. Let's try. This is the only one that I might have problems with, but it's fine. Okay, next problem. To select 10 students of out of the class of 40 students, 40 students are placed in a hat and 10 names are drawn out of the hat. What type of sample is this? Well, you put 40 names in a hat and pulled out 10 names, right? So this is as random as it gets. So it is simple random. All right, next one. To select 10 students out of a class of 40 students, I select every 4th name from the roster beginning with the 2nd student. So what type of this? Every 4th. So this is rather systematic. So it is systematic random sample. All right. So let me point out there is another section on statistics 1.2. I'll come to that in the next video.